In this video, we're going to discuss how to add two matrices together. And we're going to start with this. We have a matrix. This is a square matrix. You'll notice there are exactly 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows, 1 row here, 1 row here, 1 column here, 1 column here. So that makes a square matrix. We're going to add another square matrix to this square matrix. Alright. We have a square matrix of 3, 7, 5, and 9. And then we have another square matrix of 1, 3, 2, and 4. We're adding them together. Now, how do you do this? Well, you're going to add the 3 to the 1, the 5 to the 2, the 7 to the 3, and the 9 to the 4. And now we illustrate this in the second part here. 3 plus 1, 7 plus 3, 5 plus 2, and 9 plus 4. And if you do all of this, you come up with another square matrix of 4, 10, 7, and 13. And this is your answer. So now you know how to add matrices together. I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.